Want to know how to generate images in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application or the website. So once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now, once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done all of that here, in order to generate an image, there's two ways you can do that. On the left side, you should be seeing new chat right here, so you can just simply select that. And now once you're on the new chat, here you should be seeing your prompt, so you can just simply type in, you can generate an image or anything. So if that doesn't work, you can just simply towards AI bot right here, and once you're there, you can just simply search for image generator. So you can just simply search for image only, and it should show something like this. So you can just simply select AI image generator, and now you can just simply select or generate an image. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next round.